Understanding First Aid Stations, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic that you might come across in daily life, especially in public places or at large events. We're talking about first aid stations. Understanding what they are and their importance can be incredibly beneficial. So, let's get started and explore everything about first aid stations. First aid stations are designated areas where basic medical care and treatment are provided in case of minor injuries or illnesses. These stations are often found in places like schools, malls, airports, sports venues, and at public gatherings. The key idea here is immediacy and accessibility. They offer the first level of support before professional medical help can be reached if needed. First aid stations play a crucial role in ensuring safety and providing immediate care. They are equipped with medical supplies and staffed by trained personnel who can handle a variety of minor medical issues, from cuts and bruises to sudden illnesses. Recognizing the importance of these stations helps in promoting a safer environment for everyone. A typical first aid station will have a range of items and resources ready for use. This includes first aid kits with bandages, antiseptics, and basic medication, medical equipment like blood pressure monitors and thermometers, trained staff who can provide first aid and assess the need for further medical attention. Understanding what's available can help you feel more prepared and reassured in case you or someone else needs help. Knowing how to find and use first aid stations is essential. Look for signs and symbols that indicate medical assistance, such as a red cross or a first aid box icon. In large venues or events, information desks or maps can guide you to the nearest station. Don't hesitate to ask staff or security for directions or assistance. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and functionality of first aid stations. Remember, having knowledge about such facilities is a part of being prepared and ensuring safety for yourself and others around you. Always keep an eye out for those helpful signs indicating a first aid station, and don't be afraid to use them when needed. Thank you for watching, and stay safe. Remember, learning English not only opens up new opportunities but also helps you navigate through various aspects of daily life more effectively. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.